Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Canva for LinkedIn profile branding, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in canva.com and press enter. Once the Canva homepage loads, look for the sign up button located at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button. You will be presented with several registration options. You can choose to sign up using your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. If you select email, enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password that you can remember. After filling in your details, click on the Get Started button. If you choose to use Google or Facebook, click on the respective button and follow the prompts to log in. Once registered, Canva may ask you a few questions about your design experience. Answer these questions to help personalize your experience. You will then be directed to the Canva dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard. To start designing for your LinkedIn profile, click on the Templates section. In the search bar, type LinkedIn banner or LinkedIn post. Browse through the available templates to find one that fits your personal brand. Click on a template to open it in the design editor. Make your design unique by customizing colors, fonts, and images. Upload your own images by clicking the Uploads tab on the left side. Once your design meets your satisfaction, click on the Download button at the top right. Choose your preferred file format and download the design to your computer. Now, navigate to your LinkedIn profile. Click on Edit in the header of your profile. Upload your newly designed banner or any other graphic. Make sure to adjust the positioning if needed. Save your changes, and your LinkedIn profile will now reflect your new branding. Take a moment to review your profile as a whole. Ensure that your overall presentation aligns with your brand identity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.